Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by finding the exact Google image you want and confirming it fits your display. Once you locate it, use Tools Size to pick a matching resolution so the wallpaper won't stretch. You can right-click to open the image in a new tab, then save a copy to your device. This ensures you have a local file. Make sure it's JPG or PNG. If needed, crop or rotate now so placement is correct before continuing. Now you'll apply the image as wallpaper on your specific device. On Windows, right-click the saved image and choose Set as Desktop Background. Use Personalize if you want fit options. On Mac OS, open System Settings Wallpaper, add the image, and pick Fill or Fit so it displays correctly. For phones, open the photo, tap Share or Set as Wallpaper, then move and scale the image. Lock screen and home screen choices are separate. Finish by verifying the image appears clean and aligned across screens. If you use multiple monitors, make sure each display's settings aren't mirroring or scaling unexpectedly. Switch Fill, Fit, or Center until proportions look right. If the picture looks blurry, choose a higher resolution source rather than stretching a small file. If the wallpaper doesn't update, clear the system cache, sign out and back in, or restart the device. This usually resolves stubborn display or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.